Next-gen Audi A8 2024 is going to replace Audi A8. Several cars are launched yearly, but you would forget all of them after watching this video. The Audi A8 2024 has a more tailored professional style with a distinct appeal, unlike some large luxury cars made to draw notice with their stunning aesthetic. Kudos to the team. They have developed the coolest model this time. Welcome back to my channel. If you love luxury cars, hit the subscribe button and smash the bell icon to get all the updates on time. What does Audi A8's exterior design look like? The four-door Audi Grand Sphere Concept GT is longer than an Audi A8 with a long wheelbase and has the sweeping styling of a 1950s American saloon. Contrarily, the Audi Grand Sphere Concept has a short bonnet, allowing most of the vehicle's volume to be devoted to passenger space. This cap-forward design is hidden by a crease from the bonnet down the body to the tapering tail end. The body's shape is quite aerodynamic. The Audi is stable at high speeds, thanks to a large diffuser that protrudes from the back and flat underbelly slim headlights inspired by Audi's four-hoop insignia and enormous 23-inch wheels are two additional eye-catching features. It gets a big rear spoiler to calm the air flowing over the back windscreen and cameras to replace traditional wing mirrors that cause too much drag. Audi A8 2024 upgraded to attain elite position. However, the A8 is enjoyable for all passengers. Drivers will be astonished by this huge car's adept handling. The A8 can withstand an extremely curved stretch of road, even though it isn't as athletic as the sporty S8. All-wheel drive, two touchscreen displays, and a Bang & Olufsen audio system are just a few of the numerous goodies that come standard on the Audi A8, which is only offered as the long-wheelbase A8L in America. In addition, Audi offers several driver assistance features, including a 360-degree camera, lane departure warning, and even more that are available as optional extras. According to rumors, the next A8 will borrow design influences from Audi's Grand Sphere concept car for 2021. That car was svelte and streamlined, with incredibly thin headlamps, a small hood, and contoured flanks. Autocar claims that although the A8 e-tron, as it is officially known, won't be a replica of the concept car, it will be rather comparable. It is based on the premium platform electric architecture, which Porsche and Audi jointly developed. Although still going to be quite spectacular, it is more likely that Audi pulls off the roomy, lounge-like interior and the eccentric but functional aerodynamic chassis. The 2024 A8 will be Audi's first full-size sedan to run entirely on electricity. The company plans to launch only EVs starting in 2026 and stop selling cars with internal combustion engines by 2033 as part of its rapid entry into the electric vehicle industry. If we talk about its interior comforts, the Great Sphere's interior is created to resemble and feel like a lavish living room. A cooler with two glasses and a drink bottle with unique packaging is between the front seats. Excellent accessibility. The Grange gear feels airy and bright thanks to its large windows and skylights, and its doors open wide like a mother's arm to create a pillar-less entry. The car can also recognize where you and your passengers are sitting and adjust the lighting and ventilation to suit your and your passengers' preferences. The interior area is quite big. Large expanses of wood, wool, and metal used to retain the car's environmental credentials have made the cabin likewise attractive. Nowhere can be found leather. Since the vehicle lacks infotainment screens, the Audi Grand Sphere Concept's interior appears opulent and unlike regular ones, since it uses virtual screens instead of actual ones. The steering wheel disappears in Level 4 autonomous mode, and the Audi transforms into a four-seat moving theater. Upgradation of powertrain makes spectacular Audi A8 worth buying. The Audi Grand Sphere Concept is an electric car with a 120 kilowatt-hour battery that can go up to 466 miles and 750 kilometers. Charging is quick thanks to the car's 800V charging system. A 10-minute charge equates to 186 miles of range, while 25 minutes charges the battery from 5 to 80%. The performance is so excellent. The Audi has four-wheel drive thanks to electric motors in the front and rear axles that produce 720 horsepower and 960 Newton-meters of torque, respectively. The sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour takes about 4 seconds, and peak speed is limited to protect the battery. The A8's cab is completely silent thanks to extensive noise-canceling technology, which also muffles the sound of the turbocharged V6 engine. As the driver takes you to your upcoming board meeting, you can reflect while riding in the A8. That's all for today. Before winding up, what would be the biggest rival of Audi A8 2024? Share your opinions in the comments. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to the channel and smash the bell to receive everything fresh and exclusive in the automotive industry.